In this video, I will be showing you how I edit my video using a Capcut video editor on my Android phone. In case you don't have a Capcut video editor on your phone, just go to Play Store and search for the Capcut application and download and install to your mobile phone. In this video, I will also show you how to stabilize a shaky video using a Capcut video editor. And I'll show you also how to speed ramp or jump cut the video, and also how to add music and add beat so you will cut the scene exactly to the beat of the music. But wait, before we go to my video editing, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. It helps me to create more content on this channel. Now let's head up to my Android screen. And now that I am finished editing my video, let's watch it. And I also added a music from Uppbeat.io in this video. So if you want a free and non-copyrighted music, I will add a link in the description. All you have to do is to sign up a free account and start downloading the music without copyright that you can use to your video. Aside from being a free user in the Uppbeat.io, you can purchase a premium account to get an unlimited download and to whitelist your channel. Now let's watch the video.